Good day, everyone. So, involvement. So, for a continuation of our report, I will be discussing the parent-teacher partnership with the topic the powers and duties of the PTA that can constitute the following. The powers and duties outlined for the Parent-Teacher Association touch on crucial aspects of fostering a conducive educational environment. Let's break down each point. First, equip students with good ethical values. This is a fundamental duty of any educational institution, and the involvement of the PTA underscores the collaborative effort required between parents, teachers, and the broader school community and in instilling values in students. Ethics and moral values play a significant role not only in academic success but also in the development of well-rounded individuals who contribute positively to society. PTA can support this by organizing events, workshops, or initiatives focused on character development, integrity, and empathy. Second, it ensures that teachers properly execute their teaching responsibility. So effective teaching is at the core of any successful educational institution. The PTA can play a vital role in ensuring that teachers fulfill their responsibilities effectively by providing constructive feedback, facilitating professional development opportunities, and advocating for resources and support systems that enable teachers to excel in their roles. This duty emphasizes accountability and quality assurance within the teaching staff. Third, advise and correct those teachers who failed to discharge their duties properly. Constructive feedback is essential for continuous improvement. The PTA, in collaboration with school administration, can create mechanisms for identifying areas where teachers may be struggling and provide support and guidance to help them address these challenges. This duty highlights the importance of maintaining high standards of teaching excellence while also acknowledging that professional growth requires ongoing support and mentorship. Is it clear, class?
Yes.
Next, present disciplinary breaches that had not been given decision by the school to the next higher level of authority. So the PTA ensures unresolved disciplinary issues are escalated to higher authorities for resolution, maintaining accountability and fairness in disciplinary matters. Ensure that teachers are teaching in accordance with interest, demand, and rights of their students. So it ensures teachers align their teaching methods with the interests, demands, and rights of their students, promoting a student-centered approach to education that enhances engagement and learning outcomes. Next, involve the community in the efforts geared to boost the financial income of the school. So the PTA collaborates with the board to engage the community in initiatives aimed at increasing the school's financial income. This could involve fundraising events, sponsorship drives, or partnership with local business, fostering a sense of shared responsibility for the school's financial well-being. Next, evaluate parents' participation in the overall educational activities. So the PTA evaluates the level of parental participation in school activities and assesses the effectiveness of overall educational programs. This include reviewing feedback from parents, monitoring attendance at events, and analyzing the impact of educational initiatives on student outcomes, ensuring continuous improvement and alignment with community needs. Next, In consultation with the director, give incentives to teachers and other staff members with exemplary performance. So the PTA, in consultation with the director, establishes a system to give incentives to teacher and staff members who demonstrate outstanding performance. This fosters a culture of recognition and motivation, encouraging excellence in teaching and other roles within the school community. Next is call parents to meetings. Six lasting solutions to the problems affecting parents-teachers relationship in collaboration with the director and the board. So fostering parent-teacher collaboration, the PTA takes the initiative to call parents to meeting and collaborates with the director and the board to address any issues affecting the parent-teacher relationship. By seeking lasting solutions together, such as open communication channels, mutual respect, and clear expectations, the PTA promotes a supportive and harmonious environment conducive to student success. Next, prepare relevant plan of action to the school's director and follows up their implementation. So the PTA prepares actionable plans and presents them to the school director for approval. Subsequently, it monitors the implementation of this plan to ensure they are effectively carried out, contributing to the overall improvement and development of the school. Encourage students not to disrupt their education and seek solution along with the parents to students who had already quitted classes. So supporting continuous education and addressing dropouts. So the PTA encourages students to remain committed to their education and works alongside parents to find solutions for students who have discontinued classes by offering support, guidance, and resources. The PTA aims to mitigate dropout rates and promote a culture of lifelong learning and academic persistence. Next, give comments while the school's annual plan of the action and their execution strategies as well as other internal directives are formulated and draw plans gets them decided by the parents-teachers conference at the beginning of the academic year and presents the performance report in the middle and at the end of the year. So the PTA contributes valuable input during the formulation of the school's annual plan of action, execution strategies, and internal directives. By offering comments and insights, class, the PTA helps ensure that these plans align with the needs and priorities of the school community, fostering transparency and accountability in planning process. The PTA collaborates with parents and teachers to draw up plans at the beginning of the academic year, which are then presented and decided upon during the parents-teacher conference. Additionally, class, the PTA presents performance reports midway and at the end of the year, providing transparency and accountability regarding the progress and outcomes of the school initiatives. This cycle of planning, decision making, and reporting enhances communication and fosters a sense of ownership and engagement along stakeholders. So that's all about my report. Thank you for listening.